Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to hide liked videos from TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Click on the three lines which are appear at the right top corner. Now click on setting and privacy. Click on privacy. Scroll this bar and you can see the option of liked videos. If you click on only me, then your all liked videos will be hide. If you click on followers, then only followers can view your video. That was the procedure that how you can hide your liked videos from other. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.